Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. Well, today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this look. This is a halo hot crease look and I am living for this look. If you guys want to see how to create this look, then please keep on watching, and if at the end you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Let's get into this video. I'm going to be starting out by adding this black shade into my crease. You guys know how black is. If you're going to be using black on your eyes, you have to be really careful and be really cautious. Be really cautious about your placement. So I'm going to be placing it into my crease. As you can see from this eye, I went really high because I'm going to be cutting it. So you want to go high, so the halo is going to be high too. So I'm just going to be packing it all. Now that black is added on my crease, I'm going to put it into this purple shade and I'm going to be applying that on top of the black. And if you guys know me, I always talk about placement because placement is very important when it comes to your makeup application. So in a situation like this where this look is all about blending the different colors together, especially when it involves black, you have to be very careful where you place your colors. So I'm going to be using a small brush like this. This is a fluffy brush and I'm going to be placing this purple at the outer corners of the black. Now we have successfully placed the purple on my crease. I'm going to go back into this same brush and I'm just going to tap off the color from it and I'm going to blend that purple out very slightly. Hold the brush at the tip so you don't apply too much pressure. Now that is all done, guys, I'm going to go into this orange shade right here and I'm going to be applying that at the outer corners of the purple I applied. This is the type of look that you're doing it and you're like, oh my god, what am I doing? But at the end of the video, at the end of the look, you're going to be like, wow, okay, I did that. So let's just try to trust the process. I'm going to use that same brush, but I cleaned up the purple shade and I'm going to be applying that at the edges. We are blended and now it's time to create the halo hot crease. If you guys have not watched my how to cut your crease video, I'm going to leave a link up here so you can know how to cut your crease. I'm going to be doing the same step here, but this time instead of a half cut crease, it's going to be a halo cut crease. So you know the drill. Put it at the bottom, raise your eyes up, mark the line, and boom, you got your cut crease. So I'm not going to do that again. I'm just going to speed it up and you know. So I'm going to go into this yellow gold shade right here. I'm going to pop that at the middle of my eyes. I'm just popping the orange shade I applied earlier at the outer corners of the yellow shimmer, as you can see. Just trying to blend it out with the black. I'm done with the eyes and you can see it looks beautiful. I told you, you guys just have to trust the process and keep on blending till your hand hurts. Because my hand really hurts, man, from all the blending. But I'm going to just go do the rest of my face off camera. Maybe I'm just going to come back to complete the rest of the face. But foundation, concealer, powder, I'm going to do that off camera. If you guys want to see my foundation routine, I'm going to leave a link up here so you can watch it. Alright guys, I am back and I'm just going to apply a little bit of blush. This is like an orangey type of blush and I've been really loving those type of blushes lately. So I'm going to apply that on my cheeks. Smile and you know. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I love this look so much. I love the smokiness, the halo eye, everything just came together and it's looking so good. I told you guys in the beginning, this is the type of look that when you start, you're like, oh my god, what am I doing? This looks a mess. But when you get to the end, you're like, oh, I'm a blender. This look ended up looking so good. I love it. So if you guys want to see me behind YouTube on Instagram, my Instagram is Mathildaduku, not Mathilda___ beauty anymore. It's just Mathildaduku. Twitter Mathildaduku, and Snapchat Mathilda_Duku. So check me out there. Let's chat. Let's kiki. Do you love me? Really bad. Okay guys, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.